How screen printing works on eyeliner. It's a delicate process that requires precision. Here's a summary. Artwork creation. First, the design or text intended for the eyeliner packaging is created digitally. This artwork is then separated into individual color layers if the design has multiple colors. Screen preparation. For each color in the design, a fine mesh screen, typically made of nylon or polyester, is coated with a light-sensitive emulsion. A stencil of the artwork is then created on the screen. This is done by exposing the emulsion-coated screen to UV light through a film positive of the artwork. The areas blocked by the black ink on the film prevent the emulsion from hardening. The unhardened emulsion is then washed away, leaving behind open areas in the mesh that form the stencil of the design. Eyeliner component preparation. The eyeliner tubes, caps, or other components need to be clean and often held in place by a custom jig or fixture. This ensures accurate alignment during the printing process. Ink preparation. The appropriate ink for the material of the eyeliner packaging, often plastic or coated materials, is selected and prepared. If it's a multicolor design, each ink color is kept separate. Printing process. Per color. The prepared screen is positioned above the eyeliner component secured in the jig. Ink is poured onto one end of the screen. A squeegee, a rubber blade, is then pulled across the screen with consistent pressure and speed. This forces the ink through the open areas of the stencil and onto the eyeliner component below. The screen is then lifted, drying, curing. After each color is applied, if it's a multicolor design, the ink needs to be dried or cured. This might involve air drying, heat drying, or UV curing, depending on the type of ink and the material of the packaging. Curing ensures the ink adheres properly and is durable. Multicolor printing, if applicable. For designs with multiple colors, the process, steps 5 and 6, is repeated for each color. Precise registration, alignment is crucial to ensure the different color layers line up correctly to form the final design. Quality control. Once the printing is complete and the ink is fully cured, the printed eyeliner components are inspected for print quality, alignment, and any defects. In essence, screen printing on eyeliner involves creating a stencil on a mesh screen, forcing ink through the stencil onto the eyeliner packaging, and then drying or curing the ink for a durable finish. For multicolor designs, this process is repeated with careful alignment for each color.